What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Joshdifferent. As y'all know, I'm homeless, living in my car life, or whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to show y'all because I was one of those people. I just wanted to show y'all, and I just woke up. That's why my face super greasy. Don't care, my face be doing that. You feel what I'm saying? I'm about to hit the gym. I'm actually at the gym right now. I'm in front of Planet Fitness. And I got these little things on both sides of the windows, you know what I'm saying? Just to, let people know I'm sleeping. Like, I'm always sleeping. Don't disturb me. But anyway, I want to show y'all that y'all making excuses. You are making excuses for why you're not creating music. You're like, I don't have the equipment. I don't have blah, 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 blah. I was doing the same exact thing. You feel what I'm saying? Because, like, I've been making music since I was real little. Since, like, 7 to 8, blah, blah, blah. Google me, Joshdifferent. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, back on my humble tip. So, I have a bunch of equipment that's not expensive at all that you could use. You feel what I'm saying? Right, so I have a interface, you feel what I'm saying, Focusrite interface, not that much. You can get it cheap on Amazon for like $89, at least I did. If the most it would be like $115 or something like that, whatever the case may be, you feel me? So yeah, you can get your interface, you feel me? These right here, you gotta be very careful because when they go down, you can't really sell them because a lot of people, won't fix them or whatever the case may be, or won't take them at the pawn shop or whatever. But this to me is very solid. It's an iMac mini or whatever, and you plug this into a monitor. So you feel what I'm saying? Now, if you have a generator, I just showed y'all this to show y'all, but if you have a generator, you can use this within your car and plug it into like a little monitor and stuff like that. Or if you have the correct cords, you can plug it into your phone. I have 2 phones, so I can do that. But what I normally do is I don't use this when I'm using my phone. What I do is I use my screens, my phone. So I use my MIDI keyboard. You feel me saying? I use my MIDI keyboard. I use my Focusrite. I got my headphones. And then I got my microphone. So with the microphone, each microphone, it really depends. You feel what I'm saying? Each microphone, it depends what mic you have. Because sometimes the mics won't power into your phone. So you gotta be very careful. But also this right here, if you got iPhone, and then it switches to Android, but it's the same cord, you feel what I'm saying? iPhone to Android. Or if you have 2 Androids or whatever the case may be, right? So, you know what I'm saying? Then you plug this into your other phone, or if you have one phone, plug it into one phone. So all you really need, to be honest, you don't even need all of this stuff. I just showed you all this stuff because these are like the cheap things. Like I got this, and this. And then for like what, $300, right? That's not a lot of bread. People be spending $1,000. Sometimes people spend like, $50 an hour at the actual studio and stuff like that, right? So you don't even need none of that because that's cheap for real. You don't need none of that. You feel me? In reality, the way things are now, you have GarageBand, you have BandLab, you have now if you're using like the computer or a laptop, matter of fact, a laptop probably be easier than this for real. If you're using like a computer or a laptop, you can honestly use and so many different apps. You can use Mixcraft. I used to use Mixcraft back in the day, and I feel like I made pretty decent music on Mixcraft. I used to make music on Audacity. That's how far back I go for real. But listen to me. All you really need these days, if you want to do it the getaway and you don't care, you can just use your phone and use BandLab. But all you really need is a microphone and BandLab or GarageBand. I prefer GarageBand over BandLab. I know one of my favorite artists, Russ, he uses what's it? Not Linux. He uses not LimeWire. I forget the other one that's very similar to GarageBand. But hold on. Oh snap! I'm breaking stuff. Hold on. I'm about to make my thumbnails. Oh snap! So I'm about to make my thumbnails. So y'all gonna have to. Hold on. Alright, thumbnail done. Yeah, I just wanted to say that, like, stop making excuses. I was the same way, you feel what I'm saying? I'm out homeless, living in my car, and I'm about to start making music outside, out of my car. You feel what I'm saying? I don't care, bro. Back seated. I'll do it in the front seat. I'll do it in the middle of this plant. Listen, I'm at Planet Fitness right now. You feel me? I'll do it in the middle of this Planet Fitness parking lot. You feel what I'm saying? I don't care. But I just woke up. I'm what they call fasting. I don't fast on purpose. I just don't eat until later in the day. You feel what I'm saying? I typically don't eat till later in the day. So I didn't even realize this whole time while I was recording this video, it's a guy literally sitting next to me. He's driving away right now. But I didn't realize he was sitting next to me. See, I don't want to get his license plate, but I realized he was sitting next to me. Made eye contact with him, like, oh. Like, people really, I don't know. People really, no matter where you are, people really be wanting to know what you're doing or whatever the case may be. But I got my trunk open and stuff like that. Somebody gonna run up and steal my stuff. But, I just want to let y'all know that, like, stop making excuses. It's hot in this car. I'm about to go in the gym. I just wanted to make that video real fast, but it's hot in this car. I'm honestly about to go to the gym, and I'm gonna be dropping some heat. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna be dropping some heat. I'm gonna be dropping some good music because I've been slacking, and I'm hyped now that you can Google my name, Joshdifferent, and my music will come up. I'm trying to make some different stuff. Like, growing up, I always made like rap music, like spitting bars and stuff, which that's what I love to do because I love lyrics and stuff like that. Most of my favorite artists are lyricists, you know, King Los, Kendricks, J. Cole's, Drake's, and you feel what I'm saying? But I'm trying to get into like some so I can, when I'm on stage, you feel what I'm saying? When I'm on stage, I can get like into some vibes. Like, I want to be not a rock star. Every rapper says that when they do some melodical stuff, they say they want to be a rock star. It's not that I want to be a rock star. I just want to have a completely different sound than everybody that makes music nowadays. Because everybody want to stay on the same. They ride that wave a little bit, and then I don't know. I want to be a new artist that sounds different than other individuals versus like just sounding like everybody else, because it gets old. But I mean, it's not a bad thing for real. It's honestly not a bad thing that people are basically influenced by other artists. But at the end of the day, when you copying somebody else, when you got the same sounds, the same flows, the same story, which a lot of people have similar stories, but I don't know. Like I was saying, you could do it the cheap way, $300, get a couple things, put some chords together and work it out. Or you can do it the most simple, cheap way by just getting a microphone and getting a software on your phone such as BandLab or such as GarageBand. Easy money. Stop making excuses, you feel what I'm saying? That new artist, I forget his name, a young dude, light-skinned dude, he made his song on his phone on BandLab. He was going to the studio, but then his hit song that blew up, he made it on BandLab. The one of the YBN rappers, YBN or whatever the case may be, his song was made on like a $50 mic, and like a cheap software or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm pretty sure, Old Town Road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. His was just on GarageBand, which is on free on Apple. And I'm pretty sure Lil Tecca, I Got Black, I Got White, What You Want. Like, all of these songs that be going viral, most of the time they made on cheap stuff and they just bops. You feel what I'm saying? It's not like these rappers or singers where you gotta hear vocals and people gonna break it apart. Like, people like me, I'll probably break it apart because I've been editing since I was like 6. So I'll be listening to stuff and be like, oh, you know what I'm saying? But it don't matter because the average person don't care about that. You feel me? But I'm rambling. I'm about to go in the gym. It's your boy Joshdifferent. Stop making excuses. Get out there. Chase your dreams. If you enjoy making music, make music. If you enjoy entertaining people, entertain people. If you want to travel to LA and live in your car, do it. Because my crazy self did it. You feel what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm different. You different. We different. Subscribe, baby. The journey continues. I ain't done yet. I've been all over the world.